Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about intermittent fasting. What is it, what does it mean, what does it look like, and what does it mean for you, should you do it or not? So there's a few different protocols when it comes to intermittent fasting. I'm just going to talk about the two that I'm most familiar with, which is the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. So the premise of the 16-8 method is basically there's 24 hours in a day, and for 16 of those hours you don't consume any calories in the form of food or drinks, and for the other 8 hours you do get to consume calories. So this works really well for me because let's say I go to bed at 10 o'clock and I wake up at 7 a.m. I basically already fasted for 9 of those 16 hours, which means I've only got 7 hours left to go before I get a chance to eat, which would probably take me up until about 2 o'clock. It would take me up to 2 o'clock. And then I get to have my first meal, which would be my breakfast, my breakfast, which is pretty much what breakfast means, to break the fast at 2 o'clock. And then I'm probably not going to be hungry for another 3 or 4 hours, taking me up to maybe 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Then I will consume my evening meal. Now this is great because I basically skip a meal, so I'm saving maybe 500 calories. So if I need to save calories, this is an easy way for me to do it. It's not a magic pill. I cannot just say I am doing fasting for 16 hours and then eating for 8 hours. If I consume more than my maintenance calories within the 8-hour window of opportunity to eat, then I am still going to gain weight regardless of whether I fast or not. The reduction in weight is nothing to do with the actual fasting protocol, it's all to do with the reduction in calories. It's just easier to eat less calories when you have less time to do so. The 5-2 diet is pretty straightforward to follow. Basically for 5 days you consume calories as normal, and then for the other 2 days in the week you basically consume only 500 calories. If you're actively trying to lose weight, then you need to not be thinking so much about fasting protocols. What you need to do is find out where your maintenance calories lie. Now you can do this using a calorie calculator online, but this will only give you an estimate and it won't tell you the full story. In order to find out your true maintenance calories, you're basically going to have to get on the scales every day. You're going to have to try and control all variables. So you're going to have to get up in the morning, weigh yourself, preferably naked, after going to the bathroom. Each and every day you're going to weigh yourself, and you're going to take the average of that weight during the week because we have to account for fluctuations. And you're going to do this for a period of 2, 3, maybe even 4 weeks, whilst being consistent in tracking your calories every day and sticking to the same amount of calories. Now, at the end of this, if you can see a pattern with the data that you've got, that you either are gaining weight or you're losing weight or you're maintaining weight, then you'll know if you're in a calorie deficit. If you're losing weight, if you're maintaining weight, you know that that's your maintenance calories. If you're gaining weight, you know that your calories are too high. And then you have the magic number in order to adjust off and bring the calories either down or up or where they need to be in order for you to continue to lose weight. The fasting protocols can then be brought in place in order for you to create that deficit when you need to, but the be all and end all is finding out where your maintenance calories lie to begin with. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and there'll be plenty more to follow. And if there's anything you want me to cover, just give me a shout, drop me a message within the comments section. And again, thanks for watching.